The second part, let's say, of the video, I was planning to have a real demonstration, but unfortunately SSH nor VPA are available, so we will go with a more boring video. So the idea is to deploy a Kubernetes cluster that has the capability of self-managing the number of resources on top of Fogball, right? So there are two details here that are interesting. So don't worry, I will talk. I know that it is very small details. So Kubernetes is a very wide used resource management system for containers, and we will deploy this on top of Fogball, leveraging that Fogball provides this federation. So we can have part of our cluster in Europe, part of our cluster in Brazil. Right, so the other advantage is that we will not deploy all the resources at the very beginning up front. So we will let our system to deploy only the front end, and then as the the users request for jobs to be executed on the cluster, automatically the different nodes are started. So there you can see that we have one cluster now that is being automatically configured. You don't configure, you just execute one command line. We will have a web interface with a graphical system by a couple of weeks. And then it deploys one system with a front end. All the configuration is defined in a set of public recipes that we provide. The same configuration can be used not only in Fogball, but in any other platform. So once the front end is ready, we connect, and then we execute one job. So we deploy a pod that requests a couple of containers being executed. As there are no resources, the pod will get blocked without failing, and the system automatically will detect this need and start putting up the resources. Here we can see there are no resources available, all of them are off, and then we will deploy the pod automatically after a couple of minutes, 10 seconds is the by default timing. It will start powering on and configuring the system. In the full video, you can see that when you remove the pods and you get the resources idle again, it will be automatically removed. But in this short video, we don't do this part. So we are just deploying the pod. So then there are jobs that are being inserted in the system. But as we can see, this deployment is created but not active, not running due to the lack of resources. And I will just wait for the next part in the video that you will see that it starts to be automatically powering on, and then I think that we can close this part, right? So this time is self-configured, so you will see soon that this will come powering on, right? So this detects automatically. Right, so basically that was the point. I don't want to continue with more details. You can see all the details in the full video, or you can go to the demo session and I can hopefully do it on live.